बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तो जिए हजारों शान, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे माय डियर आतिफ ब्रेडा सीसी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Today is a special day. Today is my Sisi's birthday. Her name is Breda, and her channel's name is Breda Vasoja Blog. Breda Sisi is a very supportive and very cooperative person. Her nature is so sweet. She is a sweet and cute and beautiful girl. No, Breda Sisi, you are a so sweet, cute and beautiful girl. Please celebrate this birthday, my dear friend. Happy birthday, my dear Ate Breda Sisi. Wishing you a very happy birthday, my dear Breda Sisi. May God bless you with love, peace, happiness, good health and success. Have a wonderful and joyful year ahead, my dear Ate Breda Sisi. I have a special gift for you, my dear Ate Breda Sisi. Today I am singing a Hindi birthday song especially for you. I hope you enjoy it. Please enjoy and accept my heartfelt birthday wishes. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तो जिए हजारों शान, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे माय डियर आतिफ ब्रेडा सीसी, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Once again, happy birthday, Breda Sisi, Ate Breda Sisi. Have a wonderful and a fantastic celebration. Best wishes to you from me, my entire whole family and my whole YT channel, my dear Sisi. Once again, happy, 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 happy birthday to you, Ate Sisi. Love you so much. Love you so much, my dear Sisi. God bless you always. Always, always, always.
Happy birthday, Breda!
Happy birthday, Breda Versosa! Ayan, pasensya na di ako nakaka-live. Kaya ngayon, bumati na lang
Bumati
ako.
kami. Happy birthday!
Happy 57th
birthday!
Enjoy
More
your day.
more blessings to come. Good health, I wish for you.
Galingan lang yung pagsisimba, ha?
Sumba-sumba! Thank
Happy
you! Happy
birthday!
birthday! Mwah! Mwah! Thank you! Tapos na? Enjoy your life!
Kakat naman na yan. Hi! Bye! Ayan, happy birthday, Breda Versosa. Birthday mo na naman. Ano ba yan? Hindi pa tayo nagkikita. Happy birthday and God bless you. Enjoy your day at sana ay more revenues and more followers and subscribers. Thank you sa walang sawa mong pagsusubaybay sa ating mga tawag ng mga channel. I love you, sister.
Happy birthday, Breda. May you have many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Stay beautiful. Stay kindness, no? Stay as you are. Stay beautiful every time, every day. Okay, once again, happy birthday. Mwah.
Hello everyone! Mega Love shout out! Nandito po tayo ngayon para batiin natin ang ating isang kaibigan sa YT World. Sis Breda, happy birthday! Ilang taong ka na? Okay, anyway. Never mind, no? Okay, happy birthday and more birthdays to come and God bless. More blessings to come. Good health always. And thank you for being my friend in White World. And thank you for always support in my channel. And pasensya na kung hindi ako masyado nakakasupport. Alam mo na. Pero basta nandito lang palagi. Ayan. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you so much, Sisi. Happy birthday, Sis Breda. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ano tayo yung tawag doon? Magpakanton ka na. Makikikain kami. Ayan, once again, happy birthday. Thank you, lalabs. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Love you, lalabs. Happy birthday. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi, hello Ate Brida. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo na syempre bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday at saka malusog na pangangatawan lagi kasi yan talaga yung kailangan natin. Malusog na pangangatawan, happy lagi, stress free, iwasan yung mga makapagpa-stress sa atin. At saka good vibes lang. Thank you so much for always supporting us. Lalo na kay Ate Rose, talagang nakikita ko kung gaano ka-supportive sa kanya. Thank you kasi andyan ka palagi. At saka thank you for the friendship kahit na dito lang tayo sa YT nakikita. Naging kaibigan tayo din, no? Kahit hindi tayo nag-chat or nag-contact palagi. Pero andyan ka pa rin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga suporta. And happy birthday. More blessings to come. More birthdays to come. And enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi, ate. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sis Breda. Ayan, mag-birthday ka na naman ngayong taon. Ayan, mag-birthday na naman, Sis Breda. Happy birthday. I hope you are the best day ever. Ayan, happy birthday, Sis Breda. Cheers another year in fun of the whitey world. Ayan. I hope you are stay pretty, healthy. Yan, God bless, Sis Breda. More blessings to your family. Yan. Thank you sa pag-support sa channel ko. Ayan. Sana, lagi kang happy. Lagi kang happy. Araw-araw. Ayan. Happy birthday, Sis Breda. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Sis Breda. Yan. Mama! Heart, Sis Breda. Bye!
So, hello everyone! So, today, meron tayong babatiin na nagsa-celebrate ngayon ng kanyang birthday na si Sisi Breda! Ayan, Sisi Breda, one of our YouTube family. Happy birthday sa'yo, of course. Wish ko sana, syempre, good health sa'yo at sa iyong family. And of course, sa channel mo, more subscribers to come and more blessings to come also. And thank you pala sa support. Ayan, salamat ng marami. At happy ako at naging part ako ng iyong birthday special. Ayan. Happy birthday once again and enjoy! Love you!
Hello, Maricoy Breda. Happy birthday to you. Wish all the best and good health. Take care always and miss you. I love you. Bye, Maricoy.
Happy and blessed birthday, Ate Instant Brida. We wish you all the best happiness in life. Ma-fulfill nyo pa sana yung inyong gusto sa buhay kahit nagkakaedad na tayo. Enjoy your day palagi. Happy lang. Then, stay sexy, stay healthy. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Hello once again. Binabati kita, Sisi Breda ng
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. More candles to blow. And God bless you always. Ingat ka palagi. Bye.
It's your birthday today. Wishing you a fantastic birthday. I hope na magkita tayo ulit sa December. Okay? I miss you, friend. I love you.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Wish ko na lagi kang malusog, laging healthy, at sana marami pang birthday ang marating. At ingat ka palagi. Thank you for your kind, and the first meet natin sa Zumba, ikaw kaagad ang nag-appreciate sa akin. Love you!
Hello everybody, this is Ed Delante and I am very much happy and honored at the same time na isa ako sa mga napiling babate sa very special day ng ating sister, Sis Breda. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo, Sisi. And I hope and pray that you're happy at the moment and the rest of your life, of course. And I know you're surrounded with lovely and good people around you. And wish ko sa'yo na stay in good health. That's the most important. And of course, God will always protect you wherever you are. Of course, you and your family at the same time. That you'd be surrounded with love and happiness in your life. Ayan. Enjoy ka lang sa iyong birthday. May this very moment will give you more inspiration at the same time to go on or to continue with life, because life is too short, so make the most out of it. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo. Stay witty, stay beautiful. Although seldom lang naman tayo nagkikita, but thank you so much for the friendship at the same time. Ayan, so may God always blesses you all the time, all the happiness in the world, and may you prosper and shine everywhere you go. And happy birthday, and may God bless you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Ate Brenda. More birthday to come. God bless you and ingat po kayo lagi. I miss you, Ate Brenda.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday